Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have TOZO Crystal Buds wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or they're not syncing or connecting to your phone or other device, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working so that you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If you do decide these are irretrievably broken and you want to get a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a great price on a 5-star rated set of earbuds. Anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason that you want to delete all of the pairing history and everything like that off of it so that you can set them up like they're just coming out of the box new. So this is quite an easy thing to do. We just want to have them in the case with the case closed, and we're just going to go and delete them from whatever Bluetooth, whatever device, phone or whatever we've had them connected with before, because we don't want them to try to connect while we're going to do the next steps. Once we've done that, we can open them up, take them out of the case, and they'll turn on automatically. So what you'll need to do is press and hold the back button on each of them for 5 seconds until they turn off. Once they turn off, then you're going to simultaneously press and hold the back button on each of them for 8 seconds and basically keep an eye on the little indicator lights on them. And as soon as those lights start to flash quickly, we can go ahead and release it. They will do a factory reset and they'll automatically go back into pairing mode. So now you can just basically pair them like you're pairing them for the first time coming out of the box.